Deep within the labyrinthine tunnels, Maya stumbles upon an ethereal crystal emanating a pulsating light. Everything changes. Elias, the venerable master, imparts his wisdom and provides Maya with the first step towards harnessing her elemental gifts. Dancing flames illuminate the darkened forest as Maya faces an infernal adversary. Her determination outweighs her fear. Beating raindrops, Maya battles against the ferocious embodiment of water, her relentless spirit refusing to be washed away. A tempest rages within Maya's heart and mind, threatening to unleash chaos that could engulf the world. She must find harmony within. Hidden scrolls unravel the truth. The order that once safeguarded balance is now tipping it, and Maya must stop them at any cost. Maya unites a group of unlikely heroes, forging an unbreakable bond as they embark on a perilous quest to reclaim equilibrium. The battlefield crackles with elemental energy as Maya stands defiantly against the Order's leader, her powers unleashed in a dazzling display.